Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your foot in the door to affiliate marketing using a technique that will not require you to sell anything, but will allow you to earn commissions just the same. As always, this strategy is 100% legit, and you'll actually be working with a huge company on this. And if you're interested, then stick around because I'll tell you all about it in this video. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If this is the type of content that you're interested in, then please make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification down below. And with that said, let's get right into the video. How would you like to make $5 and $10 passively over and over again just by giving free stuff away? And also, how would you like to partner with Amazon to do this? Yes, I'm talking about that Amazon, the conglomerate owned by the richest man in the world. Again, this is 100% legit and completely free to do, so if you're at all interested, then I suggest you stick around for the entire video because I'll be teaching you how you can set everything up and make a good amount of money as a beginner affiliate. For this method, we're going to be using the Audible affiliate program, and if you don't know what Audible is, it's an audiobook service from Amazon. It offers the world's biggest selection of titles ranging from classics to new releases and original podcasts. So basically, listeners are able to download or stream their chosen titles with a paid membership to Audible. Now, what we're going to do is promote Audible through the Amazon Associates program, but instead of selling the paid memberships, we'll be giving them away for free. So Amazon will pay us $5 for each new account that we get to sign up for a free trial, and this really makes it unlike any other affiliate program out there that will pay you a commission with every sale that's made through your link. Here, you will get paid $5 for each new user who signs up for a 30-day free trial. Sound easy enough? Well, it really is, because besides the fact that it's way easier to convince someone to sign up for free than to invest money up front, Audible is also hugely popular, and in fact, its platform has garnered close to 4 billion hours of content in 2019. And if you check SimilarWeb, you'll even see that Audible has gotten over 23.5 million views in the past 30 days alone. Just think of how easy it is to promote something that's free and has such a high perceived value. So over at the Amazon affiliate page, you'll find the overview where it says Promote Audible through Amazon Associates, drive visitors to Amazon using Audible links and banners, and make money when your visitors buy Audible products and services on Amazon. And in its affiliate payout chart, you can also see that for each time someone signs up for a free trial through your link, you get paid $5, no questions asked, no matter where in the world they're from, or even whether or not they continue on to a paid membership. And to sweeten the deal, if someone actually signs up for a paid membership through your link, you get an additional $10 commission for that, plus 50 US cents for every book a customer downloads. That sounds wonderful, doesn't it? So let's get some work done and walk through how to do step 1, which is to sign up as an affiliate, and step 2, how to drive visitors to Amazon and make money. So on Audible's affiliate page, you'll see this button that says Become an Affiliate, and you'll want to click on that. If you already have an Amazon account, then you can just log in using the same account. Otherwise, you'll want to create a new one, which shouldn't take very long. So as an affiliate, you'll need to enter a website, but don't worry, because if you don't have one, you can simply use your social media account pages, and those should work just fine. Just make sure to completely fill out the rest of the information they ask you for, and verify your number with a code that they'll either send you through text or a phone call. So once you're done with that, you should be able to access your Audible affiliate link. Just click on Shorten URL and copy the link that comes out, because this is the very link that you're going to share. So now that you have that, I'm going to show you the 2 ways that I personally use to promote my affiliate links in. For both ways, you'll need to start by picking a niche, let's say self-help or motivation, and searching for the top books in that particular niche. If you're confused, well, this is because as an Audible affiliate, besides your own affiliate link, you can also get referral links for specific titles which you will need a targeted audience for. In my case, for example, after choosing self-help as my category, I proceed to searching for the top books in that niche. And I see one over here that's come out. It's something that I've read, something that I really enjoyed, and it's called The High Five Habit by Mel Robbins. So what I'll do is I'll save a copy of the book cover as a picture file and then proceed to the next step, which would be to grab the specific link from Audible and promote them in these 2 places I'll be sharing with you. Before we move on, let me just quickly remind you that if you're enjoying the content so far, then please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below to show us some love. And with that, let me tell you about the first place I want you to share your book and your link to, and it's actually on Facebook. So to reach warm leads and a more targeted audience, you want to search for Facebook groups that belong to either or all of these categories: self-help, motivation, book clubs, etc. For example, I see one over here called Self-Development and Motivational Books, and it has 62,000 members. Super specific, so that's a go. Let's try to search for one in the book category and take a look at this. There's a group called the Book Hangout Spot, and it has over 300,000 members. And you can assume that these people are into books, they're book lovers, and this would be just another great place for you to be. So do join those groups or other ones like those that you can find, and what you'll want to do is post something like this. This book is awesome. It helped me in so many ways. Hit me up if you want a free copy. Now, in order to not appear as a spammer, you first want to comment on some other posts without promoting anything. Then ask questions and just be present so that the moderators and members see you and trust you as someone who isn't just there to sell. And after a few days, it should be okay for you to post. But remember, to get the most clicks and comments, you'll need to come from a place of help. Just be and sound helpful. You are giving them something free after all, and this way they trust you and you get your free trial signups. It's win-win. After posting on Facebook groups, I want you to go ahead and try this second platform out. It's honestly a fantastic resource when it comes to looking for discussions on all kinds of topics, and it's called findaforum.net. As you can see on this site, there are a ton of different categories that you can choose from, and you can simply join based on what you're promoting. In our case, self-help or motivation, and also books or literature. See, one of the things that I really appreciate about Find a Forum is that you can easily gauge how active a forum is with a quick look thanks to the metrics that they provide. So of course, to give you the most bang for your buck, you'll want to choose an up-to-date discussion with a significant number of active members. And similar to what you did in the Facebook group, you'll want to make your presence felt by leaving comments on other people's posts, asking your own questions, and this is again so that the community sees you as a participant instead of someone who spams them because you're not careful. And moderators can easily ban you from certain groups should they perceive you as a spammer. Once you get the hang of this, you can easily replicate this strategy across different categories for both platforms, and this will surely increase your profit while you help others get access to free books. Besides how great that is in itself, let me also mention another great thing about the Audible affiliate program, and it's that you don't need to create a landing page for it. You can simply send the traffic directly to the actual link. Super simple, no extra work required. And if that has you convinced, well, what are you waiting for? Get out there, sign up for the affiliate program, look for groups and forums, and start making money today, because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. You know what? We have a ton of other money-making ideas for you, and we'll leave links in the description box down below so you can check those out. But if you have anything in particular that you want us to talk about, then please do let us know in the comments section below, and we'll be more than happy to include those in our video lineup. As always, if you found any value whatsoever in this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because it really supports the channel. Alright, thank you so much for watching and see you again on the next one.